Flipkart Big Saving Days television offers. Shall we go into the video? Yes. Now we are going to see about 32 inches televisions. First we are going to see an MI TV 4A Horizon edition. If you see the MI TV 4A Horizon edition, it's selling at 16,999 and you have a bank offer of ICICI, debit and credit cards are there, and there is also a additional 1000 rupees offer on debit and credit card also, and there are so many other offers on the you can just scroll and check it. Then next which we are going to see about is iFalco by TCL, which is also an smart Android TV 32 inch, which will be costing around 13,499, and this also has same ICICI and other bank credit cards offers. Then if you see Nokia 80 centimeter 32 inch smart TV is also available. This is selling at 15,499, and if you see this also has same ICICI bank card offers of both debit and credit card, and other offers are also there. Then next which we are going to see is Samsung 32 inch television, and this it will be working for both, like you can use it as a monitor come and television smart TV also, and this also has same as the offers are all with Flipkart Access Bank credit card offers there, and some Amex network cards issued by ICICI, SBI, IndusInd, etc. These banks cards are there, and this television is selling at 15,499. And if you see the Motorola smart television, it's selling at 15,999, and there is also ICICI bank card offers for this television, and these are all the, you can just scroll and check your offers here. And next which we are going to see is same Samsung 32 inch television, which is a 2020 edition with voice search, and this it will cost you 18,499, and there is also same as ICICI bank offers and other bank offers are there. You can just check on it. If you want to have the exchange offers, all are here, you can just have a look on it. And now we are going to next model, the 42 inches. If you see the 42 inches, 42 to 43 inches, there are so many varieties are there. In that, first we are going to see is LG. LG, it will be starting at 30,999, and you have 1000 rupees debit and credit card additional offer. ICICI bank offers are also there, and same as so many other offers. You can just scroll and have a look on it. And next which we are going to see is Samsung. The Samsung offer will be, if you see, one second, we are just opening it. The Samsung 43 inch offer, if you see, it's selling around 31,999. It will be also going for ICICI and other bank credit cards and debit card offers are there. You can just have a check on it. Then next which you are going to see is Nokia. Nokia is selling 43 inch full HD smart TV at 25,999. This also has same debit and credit card additional offers and ICICI offers and so many other offers. Then if you see Thomson 9A series 42 inch is that it will be, it's a very low cost in this particular range at 20,999, and you will have a ICICI debit and credit card offers and other bank offers are also there. You can just have a look on it. The next which you are going to see is Infinix. Infinix, if you see, one second, I'll just open the thing. The Infinix, if you open the thing, 21,999 we are getting it for a 43 inch full HD smart TV. And if you see, ICICI debit and credit card offers are also there. Then if you are going to see, the last in this particular size of television is Kotak. The Kotak, if you see, Kotak 7X Pro is the model, and it's a 42 inch full HD smart TV. It will be also same 20,999 and it has same extra ICICI debit and credit card offers, and other bank offers are also there. So this is the offers for the 42 to 43 inches thing. Now we'll move on to the next category of 50 inches, 48 to 50 inches plus. We can move on it. In this, if you see, first if you see the thing, iFalco, that will be a 55 inch. We can see. One second, I'll just open the thing. The iFalco 55 inch, if you see, it's 31,999 and it will be available soon. And they also has so many credit card, debit card of ICICI and other bank offers. And if you go for the next television is LG. LG, if you see, it's a 55 inch Ultra HD 4K television, and for that 48,999 is the offer, and you have additional debit and credit card offers for this, and ICICI debit and credit cards and other offers are also there. Then next which we are going to see is Samsung Crystal 4K Pro. So for the Samsung Crystal 4K Pro 58 inch model, 57,999 is the price, and you have same as ICICI, same as HDFC card is there. There is no ICICI debit or credit card option. You have a HDFC debit or credit card, and Axis Bank Flipkart card. You have a bank offers, and there are also some other banks which you can scroll and see it. Then the next which we are going to see is Motorola ZX Pro. The Motorola ZX Pro 55 inch model, which is selling at 43,999, and it's a 4K TV which has a same ICICI Bank debit and credit card offers, and some other offers of Axis Flipkart, Axis Bank card, credit card, and other things are there. Then we are going to see about Thomson Oath Pro series. Thomson Oath Pro series, if you see, it's a 4K model 55 inch which is selling around 38,999, and the bank offers, if you see, 1,000 rupees for debit and credit cards, and extra 10% for ICICI Bank debit and credit cards offers are also available, and some other banks and other offers are there. You can just have a look on it. Then the final one which are going to come is Samsung Crystal 4K 55 inch, and which is available for 52,999, and the pricing is 52,999. There is also a same as additional 1,000 rupees for debit and credit cards of selected thing, and ICICI Bank debit and credit card 10% discount. All those terms and conditions you can click and have a look on it. Then this is the final thing of this series. And now if you see the terms and conditions, I'll just explain you in a short. Additional 10,000 rupees, if you see, you will be getting it for selected bank debit and credit cards, while clicking on a cart and checking out option is there. No, that time you will be knowing it whether your card is eligible or not. And there is also ICICI Bank credit card. If you see, the minimum purchase for this is 5,000 and maximum discount would be 1,500, and the period from 24th to 29th July. And if you see for a debit card, same as period will be 25th to 29th, and for plus customers 24th to 29th, and the minimum card value is same as 5,000, but the maximum discount is 500 only. So if you see in credit card, you'll get up to 1,500, but in debit card only 500 rupees. So just take a note on it, and thanks for watching the video.